Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, July 3rd, 2024. It's going to be mainly dry today. We will have some isolated eastern mountain thunderstorms again this afternoon. It'll be dry on the 4th. The key points, again, isolated showers and thunderstorms today in the eastern highlands. We will have some breezy conditions today. We do have red flag warnings in effect for the South Idaho district with strong wind gusts over 25 miles per hour combined with minimum low humidity below 15%. For the 4th, we're going to have dry conditions and not as breezy. Generally, seasonable temperatures today and tomorrow slightly below normal. Temperatures for the fireworks displays will drop into the upper 50s to upper 60s throughout southern Idaho. Generally clear skies across the region this morning. You do see some clouds again in Montana near the Island Park area, and that's going to be where most of any shower thunderstorm activity will develop this afternoon. The weather risk outlook, again, breezy conditions today, mainly in the afternoon, wind gusts generally in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range. Again, the only area with a chance for some showers and thunderstorms, the eastern highlands. And again, generally no real weather risks Thursday through Sunday. Maybe a little bit breezy over the weekend, especially on Saturday. But again, not expecting much in the way of weather impacts. Here are the watches and warnings. Again, some red flag warnings against South Idaho District, generally Shoshone South through Twin Falls, Burley, the southern mountains. And we do also have a lake wind advisory this afternoon for the American Falls Reservoir, expecting winds generally around in excess of 20 miles per hour. High temperatures today, again, similar to yesterday, slightly below normal for the most part, upper 70s to lower 80s across the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, generally mid-60s to mid-70s in the mountains. Here's the minimum relative humidities. Again, you can see widespread below 15% where we do have the red flag warnings out. Generally upper teens, lower 20s, minimum humidities elsewhere. The wind gusts, you can see widespread above 25 miles per hour. Again, in the Magic Valley, Southern Highlands, where we do have the red flag warnings out. And again, generally 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts across the entirety of the area today. And very low chances of precipitation. All of it will, again, up Island Park area, Tetons. So again, the extreme northeastern, eastern mountains for the most part. High temperatures on the 4th of July, again, not real hot, slightly below normal once again, generally mid-70s to lower 80s across the lower elevations, upper 60s to the mid-70s across the mountains. So should be a very pleasant day on the 4th of July holiday. Minimum humidities, again, very dry, not quite as dry as today, but again, generally 15 to 25% minimum humidities on Friday. The wind gusts not nearly as strong, some 10 to 20 mile per hour gusts across the Snake River Plain, Pocatello through Idaho Falls and Rexburg in the afternoon. High temperatures on Friday. Now we're going to be starting to get quite a bit warmer as we get an upper level ridge push east, generally mid to upper 80s across the Snake River Plain. Mid-70s to mid-80s even in the mountain areas. And then by the time we get to Saturday, you're going to see a lot of the high temperatures in lower elevations into the lower 90s. So we're going to start to see a pretty good warm-up. Sunday might be a little bit cooler, but by the middle of next week, we'll probably be possibly triple digits by Wednesday. So again, summarizing the short-term period, isolated showers and storms in the eastern highlands today. We do have the red flag warnings issued. South Idaho for wind gusts over 25 miles per hour. Humidity is below 15%. And for the 4th, generally dry, not quite as breezy as today. And for fireworks celebrations, generally mid to upper 50s to mid to upper 60s for temperatures in the evening. So that will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, call the number listed here 24 hours a day, or visit our website or on social media. Thank you, and everyone have a good day today.